We're on site at the Gloucestershire Energy from Waste facility, a joint venture between Urbasa and Balfour Beatty. Now, once operational, the facility will function as part of Gloucestershire County Council's strategy to reduce and prevent waste, encouraging residents to recycle and compost more, and then treat the remaining waste in a more sustainable way. Now, energy from waste is a process widely used in Europe to divert from landfill and then to deal with the residual waste that's not been recycled or composted using tried and tested technology. Now, I'm here with Javier Perro, the Managing Director of Urbasa Limited. So Javier, what is the purpose of this facility here?
So this facility is going to be dealing with the residual waste from the county. That waste is currently going to the landfill.
And what benefit is that going to generate?
So here we're going to produce electricity. 50% of the electricity is renewable because of the biomass content. It's for the equivalent of 25,000 homes. We're also going to produce a biomass, which we can recycle into aggregate material, and we're also going to extract the metals out of it. Overall, we're going to divert 90% of the waste coming to the facility.
I'm here with Construction Project Director Andrew Bendel. Now, Andrew, the construction of the facility is due to complete in the summer of 2019, but what we can see here is a sort of complex mixture of buildings and machinery. What is this?
Well, we're just over halfway through the construction, and it's a great opportunity to see the process equipment being installed before the buildings are completed.
And we can see a few structures already. What are they?
Well, the main buildings are the IBA hall, which is where the incinerator bottom ash is stored, treated to recover metals, and then removed from site, ultimately to be used as a construction aggregate. The administration building, which houses a control room, the boiler hall containing the grate, the boiler and the turbine, essentially the heart of the process, and finally the flue gas treatment area, where flue gases are cleaned and passed through the stack prior to atmosphere.
And then what's the next step?
As you can see, the work progresses, and by the end of the year the process equipment will be fully installed, connected and linked back to the control room. At the same time, we are finishing the building frames and, as you can see, starting to attach the external facade.
This structure above me is the boiler, and that sits on the combustion grate at the very heart of the facility. Now, on this grate, the waste will be combusted at a minimum of 850 degrees Celsius, and that heat is going to raise steam through the boiler tubes with temperatures in excess of 400 degrees. Once completed, the plant will run 24/7, creating over 40 local jobs across a wide skill range. In addition, the facility will rely on local goods and services for things like landscaping, drainage and plant cleaning. As well as this, the newly built visitor centre will provide a venue for local schools, community and other interest groups to meet and learn all about sustainable waste management with access to a working facility, helping to educate younger generations about renewable energy and waste management. With less than 18 months to go, we expect construction here to increase at an even faster rate. So if you'd like to keep up to date with the site's progress, you can do that at www.ubbgloucestershire.co.uk.